This is our gluten-free baking book, Nosh, Gluten Free Baking. There's a picture of us and a preview of our app, which helps you shop and plan your meals, a little letter from Mum and talk about our approach, and then a quick list of ingredients to avoid if you are gluten intolerant, a list of all the equipment that you'll need to do all the baking in the book, and then straight into some of the basics. We've got a puff pastry recipe, some lining techniques, and then we've got a Swiss roll recipe, and then we're straight into cakes, tarts, and a whirl. So an incredible chocolate cake to start. You've got to start with some chocolate, haven't you? Then after a few pages, we're back into a nice chocolate mocha ring, a Battenberg, which is always a fun one to try. We've got a Bara Brith, which is great with a cup of tea. And then we've got some muffin ideas. Blink and you'll miss it. There were some red velvet cupcakes there. We've got some rather festive simnel cakes and mince pies, into cookies lathered in white chocolate and stemmed ginger cookies. And then we've got a tray bake section. We've got the millionaire shortbread, some blondies and flapjack variations, Turkish delight, rocky roads, some figgy flapjacks and a marble cake, and some pineapple and coconut slices. Into desserts, and a treacle tart, a key lime pie, a lovely pavlova drizzled in chocolate. Again, you're noticing a theme. And a lemon meringue pie that whizzed past. Into savoury bakes, so we've got some meaty pies, a quiche. We've got some scones, some Yorkshire puddings, if you thought you were going to have to say goodbye to those. We've got some cornbread recipes, a nice pasty, a layered pancake bake, a white and a brown bread, and some cheese and onion rolls there. And then finishing off with Stilton and walnut swirls. So that's a very quick flick through our gluten-free baking book, Nosh, Gluten Free Baking.